It's another great day at the Brenton on Brady in Davenport, Iowa. Today I'm going to show you our magnificent studio. This studio is an F floor plan, number 314. So when you enter, you do have an entry closet. It's got double rack shelving. You've got your modem panel in here. Each unit is equipped with its own modem and router. So on the day of move-in, you would call and pick your package if you wanted to opt in for the internet. Gives you several different package options. And once you pick your package, it is available the same day as you call in. So there's some entryway hooks here. There's room for a desk, dresser, entry table. You've got the closet that I showed you. It's got a full appliance package, starting with a dishwasher. You've got pull-out nozzles on your sinks. Soap dispensers, there are garbage disposals, an abundance of cabinets and drawer space. You've got your electric stoves and ovens, over-the-range microwaves, refrigerators with freezers that have automatic ice makers. All of your cabinetry will have adjustable shelving inside, so you can adjust your shelves accordingly. This would wrap straight through to the living room. Ahead on the right here is an area. They call this a magnificent studio because it does have a separation for a bedroom. We just don't call it a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet. So it's got the pocket doors here, as you can see. I just slid that door there. So you do have the separation of the bedroom. These do come with the split unit heating and air, which are energy efficient, controlled with the remotes there. This leads into the bathroom. Does have a full-size stackable washer and dryer unit. Tub and shower combo. Your vanities. You've got drawer space there, in addition to a medicine cabinet that opens up. Additional storage there. I'll wrap around to the living room. Tons of lighting in this living room. I love this unit. You've got the split heating and air unit in the living room as well. Floor to ceiling windows. Amazing views. This one has a north side view, which is a view of Aldi's. You've got Aldi's in your backyard. You can see St. Ambrose from here. Some nice treetops. There's Walgreens on the corner. And this got the 2 accent wall paint with the darker and the lighter colors there. Very nice unit. Very nice property. We've got lots of amenities at the Brenton. Be sure to check us out at www.thebrentonlofts.com. Thank you for joining me.